Prepare to redefine adventure. This mobile fortress, designed for the most ambitious of travels, is more than simply a motorhome. Presenting the Scania Motorhome for 2026. Built on a heavy-duty Scania truck chassis, this beast exudes robustness from the outside thanks to its tough, all-terrain bodywork. This truck is prepared for anything, from mountain passes to desert sands, thanks to its enormous tires, high ground clearance, and an intimidating grille with the proud Scania logo. However, this goes beyond physical strength. The 13-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine, which can be tuned to produce up to 540 horsepower, is the engine's equally amazing heart beneath that intimidating appearance. When paired with a cutting-edge 6x6 drivetrain, this motorhome provides the grip and torque required to traverse the most isolated terrain on Earth while still delivering the dependable, smooth performance you would anticipate from a Scania. As soon as you enter the cockpit, you're met with a blend of contemporary technology and robust utility. The dashboard is more than simply a control panel. It's a command center. From navigation to car diagnostics, the completely digital driver display offers all the necessary information at a glance. With its simple, user-friendly design, the central infotainment screen provides a 360-degree video picture of the vehicle's surroundings in addition to telematics and satellite internet. With air suspension, multi-way adjustments, and high-quality materials to guarantee optimal comfort on even the longest trips, the driver's seat is a masterpiece in and of itself. Entering the living area, the decor reinvents mobile luxury. This is a mobile house, not a little camper. The large floor plan frequently has ingenious modular slide-out innovations that allow the living area to be expanded at the touch of a button. High-end features that give the cabin a sense of genuine home excellence include hand-stitched leather upholstery, solid timber veneers, and handcrafted cabinets. After a long day of exploration, the lounge area's cozy sofas and seats make it the ideal place to unwind. The bedroom provides a haven of comfort and tranquility when it's time to sleep. The focal point is typically a queen-sized bed with a high-end mattress, encircled by tasteful ambient lighting and an abundance of clever storage alternatives, such as roomy closets and underbed storage. The room is intended to be quiet and peaceful, providing you with a space to rest and rejuvenate before continuing on your adventure. The bathroom is a surprising luxury haven. Forget about shower cubicles with small, plastic walls. This full-sized wet bath has plenty of space, premium fixtures, and a rainfall shower. The sink area has solid surface counters and enough storage, while the toilet is porcelain. It's not a car designed to cross countries, but rather a spa-like experience that you would anticipate from a 5-star hotel. Lastly, the kitchen is designed with the budding gourmet in mind. It is completely furnished with high-end appliances, such as a convection microwave oven, a multi-burner induction cooktop, and a full-sized refrigerator and freezer. The bespoke cabinets offers all the storage you want for long excursions, and the countertops are made of a high-end, long-lasting material. No matter where you are in the globe, you can make restaurant-caliber dishes with this kitchen's serious culinary design.